Summer is the best time to visit the grassland, but have you ever been to a volcanic grassland? This is the Ulanqab volcano group, Ulanqab Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region. The dormant Ulanqab volcano cluster first erupted over 120,000 years ago. The number 6 volcano of the group is the most popular among tourists. Do you know why? At the foot of the volcano, I see a few shops offering astronaut costume rentals. Asking around, I realized they are run by local herders.
这是我们附近牧民的草场，所以我们来到这儿经营这个宇航服。这个宇航服是6号火山特别火，火山里面是发黑的，穿上宇航服就是像上了火星一样。火山对还有后期旅游发展挺好，对这个牧民带来很多的收入。
A few steps away, some tourists are gathering around a lady, asking her how much it costs to take pictures with her lambs. I also go over to check out the cute animals and chat with the lady.
去年我们就带过这个羊羊拍是照了，拍的照让我们都可以挺满意。6号火山，我是最第一个我聊的小羊羊，明星1月33拍照就照的我们那个羊羊，把火上头发的网都要过来的。
The colorful activities of the Ulanqab volcano group have attracted flocks of visitors, boosting the income of the local herdsmen. If you have a chance, would you like to visit the Ulanqab volcano group? Comment below.